You!
Thanks so much, officer. Children, guess what?
What?
There's hot cocoa and ginger snaps for you in the recreation room.
What recreation room?
Shoo. Thanks so much, officer.
That was Blueberry by the dock. But he got away.
Poor little pumpkin out in the freezing cold. Just that thin dress. Didn't catch influenza. Thanks so much, officer.
On the line of duty. And you. If ever hears you run away again from this nice lady.
She's not.
Thanks. Good afternoon, officer. Now I'm gonna have your head, and the next time you walk out that door, it'll be 1953. Well, you glad to be back, huh?
Yes, Miss Hannigan.
Liar! What's the one thing I always taught you? Never tell a lie. Well, what's the one thing I always taught you?
Never tell a lie, Miss Hannigan.
For what you've done, I could get fired. Have the Board of Orphans sticking their nose in here